Your machines are only making money when the spindle is making chips. That means machine downtime is not an option. What if your machine could let you know how it's doing? What if it could send you a message if there was an alarm, for example? With Haas's next generation control and Haas Connect, you can be away from the shop floor and still know what's going on with your machines. Here's how it works. At HaasCNC.com, click My Haas. Create your Haas Connect account. Connect to your machine. Choose which notifications you'd like to receive, like program starts and stops, feed overrides, spindle and rapid overrides, and alarms. And that's it. Haas Connect is ready to go. Now your machine will notify you when you're away from the shop. You can add as many machines as you want to Haas Connect, and best of all, it comes standard on all Haas VMCs with the next generation control. Haas Connect is a powerful tool that makes it easy to monitor your machines and track operator adjustments from anywhere in the world. Visit HaasCNC.com and click on My Haas to set up a free account.